Yes, Massive. Do remember to tune in tomorrow, Thursday the 19th of October. I, Shakin Moore, will be live on the More Fire Show with Sir Daddy D. The thing called Reggae for Us. You can tune in from 6 to 8 p.m. GMT. Log on to www.reggae4.us. I will be live at 7 p.m. BST. Don't miss out on this one. We're gonna talk up the things them. Seeing? Me Jenna. God me general. I am a me danai. I am governor. Me Jenna. The most I am me general. I am a me danai. Me nah go place to banai. If the most I say walk, me nah go run. And if the most I say stand up, me nah go sit down. You hear me I say? Don't miss out on that. Big up all them fans, they don't know. Shocking more the girls them carry. Out.